Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel SM Wisdom. Friends, falling in love is one of the most exhilarating experiences in life. You meet someone, you click, and suddenly everything seems brighter, happier. But as the initial rush of emotion starts to settle down, you may find yourself wondering, is he really in love with me? It's not always a grand declaration or a dramatic gesture. Sometimes, it's in the tiny, subtle behaviors that a man shows his true feelings. Here's a peek into those little signs that indicate a man is truly, deeply in love with you. Get ready, because after watch this video, you might just realize that your man is crazy about you. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to unravel the mysteries of love. Let's get started. Number 1. He listens to you. When a man is truly in love, he will actively listen to what you have to say. Every tiny detail about your day, your thoughts, your dreams and fears, he takes it all in. You'll notice that he remembers things you've mentioned casually, perhaps weeks or even months ago. This is because when a man loves you, he values your words, your experiences, your world. He doesn't just hear you speak, he really listens, and that's a surefire sign of a man in love. Number 2, he shows genuine interest in your life. This happened to me once. I was sharing with a man about my love for baking. I was surprised when he started asking me questions about it. He wanted to know what got me into baking, what my favorite recipe was, and even suggested that we bake together sometime. This wasn't just casual conversation for him. He was genuinely interested in something that mattered to me. When a man is truly in love, he'll show a real interest in your hobbies, passions, and interests, even if they are completely foreign to him. Because to him, what matters to you matters to him too. Number 3, he makes sacrifices for you. I remember there was a time when I was swamped with work, snapping at everyone and just generally being in a bad mood. On one particularly stressful day, my man showed up at my door with a tub of my favorite ice cream in hand. He had left his buddies hanging at their weekly game night just to be there for me. It wasn't about the ice cream or him ditching his friends. It was about his willingness to sacrifice his own time and comfort to make me feel better. That's what love looks like. When a man is truly in love with you, he will make sacrifices for you, big or small, just to see you happy. Number 4, he respects your boundaries. Respect is a cornerstone of any healthy relationship. It's about understanding and acknowledging each other's personal space and limits. A man deeply enamored with you not only believes in you wholeheartedly, but also values your autonomy. He respects your personal boundaries and cherishes your unique identity. Moreover, a genuine lover prioritizes your comfort above all else. So it's unlikely he will overstep boundaries or do things that make you feel uncomfortable. Number 5, he stands by you during tough times. Life is not always a bed of roses. There are thorns and sometimes you stumble upon them. But when a man is truly in love, he doesn't just stick around for the good times. He's there through the storms, the clouds, the rough seas. I've seen this in my own life. When I lost my job, he was there. Not just with comforting words, but with actions, helping me search for new opportunities, boosting my confidence when I felt low. His support was unwavering, and it was then that I knew this man truly loved me. It's easy to be there when everything is going well, but if he stands by you during the tough times, that's a definite sign of his love for you. Number 6, he includes you in his future plans. When a man is truly in love with you, his future picture includes you. It's not just about the present moment or the next weekend plan. He starts thinking long term, and that long term includes you. In my own relationship, I noticed this subtle shift when he started using "we" more often while talking about future plans. We should buy a house in the countryside. We should visit Spain next summer. We should adopt a dog. He wasn't just planning his future, he was planning our future. If he's including you in his future plans, that's a clear indication of his love for you. Number 7. He genuinely cares about your well-being. In a world where self-absorption often reigns supreme, discovering someone who genuinely prioritizes your well-being is a rarity. But when a man is authentically in love with you, his care runs deep. It transcends mere surface gestures. He'll inquire about your health, express concern if you're not nourishing yourself properly, and gently remind you to prioritize self-care, whether it's taking your medication or ensuring you get ample rest. This level of sincere concern serves as a powerful indicator of his profound love for you. Number 8. He is your biggest cheerleader. When a man is truly in love with you, he becomes your biggest cheerleader. He celebrates your victories as if they were his own, offering unwavering encouragement in every endeavor. From career milestones to personal achievements, he stands by your side, cheering you on through every high and low. Even when you make mistakes, he'll offer constructive feedback, not harsh critique that chips away at your confidence. In essence, someone who's truly in love with you will protect your heart at all costs. If you've recognized these indicators in your partner, rest assured, you're cherished deeply. Yet, keep in mind that everyone demonstrates love uniquely. Some may exhibit all these traits, while others may show only a few. The key isn't to tick off a checklist, but to comprehend the intricate ways love manifests. As you ponder these signs, introspect on your feelings. Do they resonate with your experiences, providing solace? Do they evoke a sense of being cherished? Ultimately, love isn't solely about receiving love, but also about feeling it. If these signs evoke that feeling within you, then that's what truly matters. Dear viewers, if you found this video helpful or relatable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more relationship tips and insights. Until next time, take care and love wisely. Goodbye for now.